In the last few years, there has been an explosion of many NoSQL solutions and products. The meaning of the word NoSQL is not a campaign against the SQL language. In fact, OrientDB allows for SQL syntax. NoSQL is probably best described by NoSQL, meaning not only SQL, is a movement encouraging developers and business people to open their minds and consider new possibilities beyond the classic relational approach to data persistence. Alternatives to relational database management systems have existed for many years, but they have been relegated primarily to niche use cases such as telecommunications, medicine, CAD, and others. Interest in NoSQL alternatives like OrientDB is increasing dramatically. Not surprisingly, many of the largest web companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Foursquare, and Twitter are using NoSQL based solutions in production environments. What motivates companies to leave the comfort of a well-established relational database world? It all surrounds the fact that you can better solve today's data problems with a modern database. Specifically, there are a few key areas: performance, scalability, smaller footprint, developer productivity, schema flexibility. Most of these areas also happen to be requirements of modern web applications. A few years ago, developers designed systems that could handle hundreds of concurrent users. Today, it is not uncommon to have a potential target of thousands or millions of users connected and served at the same time. Changing technology requirements have been taken into account on the application front by creating frameworks, introducing standards, and leveraging best practices. However, in the database world, the situation has remained more or less the same for over 30 years. From the 1970s until recently, relational database management systems have played the dominant role. Programming languages and methodologies have evolved, but the concept of data persistence and DBMS have remained unchanged for the most part. Tables, records, and joins. NoSQL-based solutions in general provide a powerful, scalable, and flexible way to solve data needs and use cases which have previously been managed by relational databases. To summarize the NoSQL options, we will examine the most common models or categories. First, key value databases. Data model is reduced to a simple hash table which consists of key value pairs. It is often easily distributed across multiple servers. The most recognized products of this group include Redis, Dynamo, and RAC. Now the next is column-oriented databases. Data is stored in sections of columns, offering more flexibility and easy aggregation. Facebook's Cassandra, Google's Bigtable, and Amazon's SingleDB are some examples of column-oriented databases. Now the document databases. Data model consists of document collections where an individual document can have multiple fields without necessarily defining a schema. The best known products of this group are MongoDB and CouchDB. Now the graph databases. Domain model consists of vertices interconnected by edges, creating a rich graph structure. The best known products of this group are OrientDB and Neo4j. OrientDB is a document graph database, meaning it has full native graph capabilities coupled with features normally only found in document databases. Each of these categories or models has its own peculiarities, strengths, and limitations. There is not a single category or model which is better than all the others. However, certain types of databases are better at solving specific problems. This leads to the motto of NoSQL: choose the best tool for your specific use case. The goal of Orient Technologies in building OrientDB was to create a robust, highly performant database that can perform optimally in the widest possible set of use cases. Our product is designed to be the best go-to solution for data persistence. In the following videos, we will look closely at OrientDB, the original open source, multimodal, next generation NoSQL database.